Hi, I'm Andy Miller, Business Development Manager.
And I'm Chris Wilson, Continuous Improvement Manager.
And this is a factory-built substation for Agile by Beta. Come with us and let's take a closer look. Today we are at our partner Distran Package Substations Project Support Services Center in Alexandria, Louisiana.
This is where the factory-built substation modules were manufactured.
It looks like we have all of the major equipment and some of the electrical wiring already done on these structures.
Yeah, that's right. The base module goes in first. That contains cable tray, above grade grounding, and most importantly, the 34.5 kV breakers. Secondly, on the very next truck, the top hat module arrives. This contains all the switches, insulators, bus work, and cabling to round out the low side of the substation.
So once this gets to site, how many heavy lifts is it to get all of this in place?
You're looking at 2 lifts total to install all of this equipment.
And then what's left to do once you have them stacked on top of each other?
There's not much to do. Using factory-built substations, we were able to move all the mini lifts that it takes to make this into Distran Package Substations manufacturing facility. This reduction in lifts contributes to increased safety and increased quality in the field.
That's a huge advantage for our crews on site. Thank you, Chris. That was extremely helpful. If any of you guys would like to learn more about Agile by Beta, you're more than welcome to reach out to one of our business development managers. We'd be glad to help you find innovative solutions to your next project.